Hello, I am George from Digitalized Marketing Agency, and today we're going to talk about copywriting. So, what is copywriting in a sense? Well, many companies nowadays are looking for copywriters, but what is it then? Is it a form of writing? What is it? Well, what I can say is copywriting is the act of writing text for the purpose of advertising. That's the sole purpose of copywriting, and it's a very effective form of digital marketing used nowadays. And many companies are looking for copywriters. And why is it that? Copywriting is used for brand awareness as well as for persuasion. Companies who need customers to take action or who want customers to buy their products make use of copywriting. Copywriting can be used for several marketing objectives. For example, purchasing. That includes purchasing of several goods and services. For example, tangible goods, consumer goods, as well as services like banking services and traveling services that you can use copywriting for. It can also be used to convince people to take a particular action that we want. For example, you can convince through copywriting, you can convince people to install an application on your smartphone, as well as convince them to take a particular survey which you want or watch a particular video. In order to succeed in copywriting, one has to understand its formula, which is based on 4 letters: A-I-D-A. A-I-D-A. A standing for attention, interest, desire, and action. Now, the first thing in every copywriting text is gaining the customer or the person's attention. Once you have got his attention, you have got to instill interest. Now you can pass in your message and make it interesting for the person to stay, which now instills desire in the person and therefore brings action. So that's the formula. First of all, attention, interest, desire, and action, and you have had a successful copywriting text. Well, that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention, and please, if you like the video, put a thumbs up and follow us on our social media. Thank you, and see you next time for the next video. Bye.